Ready? Start. As stated in the Finance Minister's budget speech, it is necessary to provide some more assistance to our export industry on a discriminating and selective basis in order to mitigate the disadvantages under which it operates in the foreign market and to help it achieve its full competitive position. The tax credit certificates to be issued with reference to the value of exports will, I expect, provide an impetus for increasing our export potential and augment our foreign exchange earnings. In this connection, it is proposed to set up an advisory board on tax credit certificates for our exports to advise government regarding the commodities for which the certificates should be granted as also the rates. The board will, wherever necessary, invite the commercial interests concerned to present their views before it. The Commerce Secretary will be the chairman of the board and a senior officer each from the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry in charge of the export commodity concerned will be members. The recommendations of the board will enable the government to take informed decisions with regard to the grant of these certificates. The measures for encouraging investment of surpluses funds in production channels include a provision for revival in a modified form of the exemption from wealth tax of individuals and Hindu undivided families on the value of their investments in equity shares of industrial companies. This exemption will be available to individuals and Hindu undivided families on the value of any equity shares held by them in an industrial company where such shares form part of the initial issue of equity share capital made by the company after the 31st March 2000 and will extend over a period of 5 successive assessment years commencing with the assessment year next following the date on which the company commenced the operations for which it has been established. Madam, the bill contains a scheme for voluntary disclosure of uncounted income during the period of 3 months from 1st March to 31st May 2005. Tax is payable on the amount declared at the ad hoc rate of 60% with a rebate of 5% of the tax where the declaration has been made and the tax has also been paid not later than the 31st March 2005. Where the declarant is unable to pay the tax on the amount declared immediately, he has the option to pay it within a period of 6 months from the date of declaration, provided he furnishes adequate security in the form of a guarantee from a scheduled bank. Stop over.